Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this excellent recipe to make delicious pizzas with pita bread. If they do not know it, it is in the sausage area in the refrigerators and are like flour tortillas but thicker. Believe me that they are very fast and are delicious. Let's see what we are going to need. First of all, we will need the pita bread, which this time is that of the taquero size or the boy, since they can make it bigger if they want. In this case I will use 4, but you can do the ones you like. We will use a sauce already prepared for pasta, or in this case for pizza. Either 3 cheese, bolognese, with mushrooms or the one that you want more, but it can be of can or Tetra Pak. And the ingredients at this time is manchego cheese, but it can be provolone, cheddar, chihuahua, or the one that melts. Salami and ham, but can use sausage ham serrano. I will put mushrooms in can, but you can buy them fresh and split them, and you will have even better. And finally, I will use a little onion, but they can also put pepper or do it all vegetarian with cherry, pineapple, tomatoes, etc. And they will look very good. Let's look at how to prepare it. We put the pita bread on a surface where we can put all the ingredients. In this case, I melted some butter, and I like to put all the bread a little so that it gives them more flavor and does not become so hard, but this is completely optional. Then we throw the sauce, as if we did it in a normal pizza, putting a good portion in the middle and spreading it with a spoon until every cover is. You can throw the one you think necessary. Since we spread all the sauce, we begin to put the cheese, and as with this one you can throw the one you like. And even do some pure cheese. Try to make it evenly to melt even. Then we began to put, in this case, the salami, trying to make it divided, and we have the same portion in all those we do. We throw the ham if we wanted it, and as with the salami, we try to distribute it throughout the pizza so that it is even. I am going to throw a little onion, but as I already told you, you can prepare it to your liking and throw the ingredients that you prefer and most like. And finally, we throw the mushrooms that we had separated, and as I said before, you can buy them fresh and split them to give you their personal touch, and believe me, that you will also know very well. Since we finished putting all the ingredients, we put it in the electric batch more or less for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on their oven, or they can put it all at the same time in their gas oven, and so they will all remain at the same time, and they will not have to wait for a one and more if they will have a meeting or with more people. Since they leave the oven more or less must be seen as follows. So the only thing that remains is to start enjoying it with friends, family, couple, or why not, for us alone. As you could see with the pita bread, the sauce, and the ingredients that you prefer can make some delicious pizzas that you will love to be tested, either for a family dinner, meeting, or to get out of the routine and eat something done at home with the ingredients that we like the most. In this case, 2 of them put a dip that is from artichoke with spinach and peppers that is very creamy and delicious. They can get it in some supermarkets. It is of toasts, and there are several presentations. I hope you enjoy them. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very much utility. Thank you for seeing us, and hopefully it is served and like this recipe. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.